Hi, this is Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC18 in Dallas, Texas, and today we're at the One Stop Systems booth with Jaan. Jaan, good to see you again. You having a good show?
To be seen. Yes, yeah, good show so far, yes.
Oh, terrific. Well, let's start at the beginning, Jaan. For those that may not know, who is One Stop Systems and who do you help?
Yeah, sure. So One Stop Systems, we're a high-performance computing company located in San Diego, and we help people with I/O issues, basically people who want to expand and have a bed of GPUs and a bed of flash. We build a bunch of different types of expansion chassis and servers that maximize both of those formats, so GPUs and flash.
Oh, terrific. So what are you showcasing this week at SC18?
Yeah. So one of the bigger products that we're showcasing is an SXM expansion system. This is an 8-way box, so basically it takes advantage of NVIDIA's, they're a partner of ours, so it takes advantage of the NVIDIA SXM GPUs with NVLink between all 8 cards, and then interfaces to a server of your choice over PCI Express. Yeah. And the nice part is this provides more flexibility because you can choose the type of CPUs you want, the type of DRAM you want, the type of GPUs you want, and you can kind of build your own box in a disaggregated approach.
Wow. Well, Jaan, you know what strikes me about this box? I've never seen a server with so much empty real estate. Why is that going on?
It's a very good question. So the pipe for peer-to-peer for NVLink is a very big pipe. It's about 3.5 times faster than PCI Express. So these guys can communicate with each other very quickly and efficiently, but it isn't a server. There's no CPUs, no DRAM. We actually connect to any server. We're server agnostic over a PCI Express bus extender. So what we're showing today is a Gen 3 128 gigabit by 16 connection, of which there are 4 in the back, and we actually have a Gen 4 adapter that we just released, so we'll be at Gen 4 very soon.
Okay. What would I use this for in this kind of room?
Yeah, so any application that's scalable for GPUs. So a lot of parallel computing applications like deep learning, oil and gas, medical imaging, they all rely on GPUs to accelerate the process of a CPU more quickly, and our boxes do that with a lot of efficiency and a small amount of rack space.
Okay. What else are you showing here this week?
Yeah, so aside from the GPU box, we are showing our new Gen 4 adapter. This is we were the first to market with Gen 2, first to market with Gen 3, and now the first to market with Gen 4. So here's a Gen 4 PCI Express adapter, 256 gigabits over the cable, and this will be shipping in early part of next year.
So we've been waiting a long time for Gen 4, at least in my circles. Is it going to be generally available, or you're leading the vanguard here, or what's going on?
It'll be generally available next year, yeah. So right now, we're still waiting for a good Gen 4 server. IBM, their Power 9 does support it, but as soon as we get the switches in, we can start breathing our products into Gen 4.
Okay, so help me out. What is the advantage of Gen 4 versus what we've known for a long time?
The simple answer is it's twice as fast. So, but I agree with you that Gen 3 has been long in the tooth. It's been around for a long time. Gen 4 is going to double the throughput of Gen 3 and just allow more communication to the expansion boxes that we provide. So basically accessing the I/O, the GPUs, and the flash, we can do that twice as fast with Gen 4 as we can with Gen 3.
Wow, so great performance just around the corner, you're saying? Yeah?
Absolutely, and with any server that you choose. Yep.
Well, great. You know what? I think it's really cool. You got this thing waiting for a server that could be fast enough to deal with it.
That's right. The trickier part is testing it.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Cart and the horse.
Yeah.
Hey, Jaan, thanks for showing us, and I hope you have a great week.
Yeah, thank you very much.